This template will work with Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Font changing feature available in 2019 Plus version template. Let me show you how to edit this template. First, install the font from the download folder. Open Premiere Pro. Let's create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. To install template, open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon. Place template on the timeline. Here in the Edit tab, you can edit text and fonts. I have added 8 text placeholders. Change first text here. You can also change the text color from here. Change all text according to your need. At bottom of the edit section, you can change particles and flares color. That's it. Thanks for watching.